Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your turbo update for Bitcoin. What's going on? Attention, attention guys, we have a big problem. I will show you this now. So we are watching here the Bitcoin daily chart. You can see every candle is 1 day. And what can we see first of all? Yes, we are still in a death cross zone. You can see it here. We have the green line here as a support. We have the red line here as a resistance. So the big thing is now, if you're watching this one, the green line is the SMA 50. This is this one. And I told you in my last videos, attention guys, we need to stay over the green line. We need confirmed closing candles over the green line. And we saw spike down, but all confirmed closing candles are over the green line. That's really important. So mega resistance, red line 48,400, and big support now 40,600 on the daily time frame. What is the big problem? What I would like to show you guys, this is this one. If we are watching the RSI here on the downside, what can we see? We can draw a line from the highest points over these points to the downside. And what can we see? We are now perfect, but really so perfectly on this resistance line now. So the big question is, can we win the fight with this resistance? Can we spike over this resistance? Yes or no? That's the big thing. For the moment, we are here about 57 points, not overbought, not oversold on the daily. Everything is okay, but this is now really important to watch. And what else can we make? We can make here also a line from the downside to the upside. This is our support line if we are watching the RSI. And you can see we have not much space here. It is possible to see here a really fast reaction. Maybe we can break over this point, or maybe we will see a rejection. If we are zooming in a little bit more, I have to draw it better, guys. Here it is the perfect point. Let me show you. This is the perfect point. So you can see it is a perfect fight for the moment, and it is a big rejection possible, guys, if we are watching this resistance. RSI really important on the downside, guys. So what else can we see? If we are watching the indicators, we need the EMA ribbon band on the day, because it is really important. The EMA ribbon band is our friend for the moment. It is our support, and we saw no confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band. We are still over this. The next resistance, what's coming in now, it is the the EMA 200, 44,600. The next big resistance if we are watching the daily time frame. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go in the 4-hour time frame. The good news, yes, the golden cross is here. We had the golden cross here, and if we are watching this one now, we are over the ribbon, we are over the EMA 200, SMA 50, SMA 200. So if we are watching the 4-hour time frame, it's looking really nice. But here's the but, guys. If we are looking here on the downside, the RSI, what can we see? Here we saw 70 points rejection to the downside, 70 points rejection, 70 points, 70 points, next rejection to the downside. You know it, guys, everything over 70 points is overbought. And the big question is now, can we go higher from here, or will we take press a little bit? Will we go down a little bit, maybe visit the yellow line or the middle line, and after this up to the upside? That's the big question, guys. The 4-hour time frame, it's also showing us this one. We can draw a line from the highest point over this point to the downside. This line, this is the next big resistance. What else can we do? We can make a nice line from the downside to the upside. This is the support. And now you can see big resistance, 44,800. So guys, the next big thing to watch, this was the last high. We need a higher one, 45,300. In my opinion, we need to break resistance. We need to break this point. We need a higher high. That's really impossible. That's really necessary. And also a higher high about this point is also really important. 45,800. If we can break out from this rising wedge triangle, what else? If we can break out, this would be a really nice pump to the upside. Maybe a next nice long position, guys. We need to watch this 4-hour time frame. A really fast view on the 1-hour time frame. If we are zooming in a little bit more, we can see, yes, we are over all support lines. EMA line is here, SMA 200, EMA 200, SMA 50, everything is here. We are over these support lines, and that's really awesome. That's really nice. if we are drawing here a parallel channel, and guys, you know it, I love to draw this. Why? I can show you, because we have the middle line, and the middle line is the next resistance. Here we saw we lost the middle line fight. Here's the big question: can we fight back the middle line? Can we break out over 44,900? This is the next big thing I'm watching in the next few days. Guys, this was a really quick and fast turbo update for the day. It's really possible to see a nice breakout, but we have a lot of resistance here. Please be patient, guys. And if you're going down now, maybe it's not the best time to make a short position here. Let's watch this. This is not a financial advice. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.